Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, Alex and Jessica will practice 4 useful English conversation topics. First, daily English conversations for beginners. Second, a conversation at the bus stop. Third, booking a hotel in English. And finally, ordering food at a restaurant. Stay with us, listen carefully, and learn English easily.
Good morning, Jessica. How are you today?
Good morning, Alex. I'm doing well, thanks.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well, actually.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
That sounds healthy. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like coffee in the morning.
How long does it take you to get ready?
About 30 minutes, usually.
Do you like to exercise in the morning?
Sometimes, I usually walk in the park.
Do you read the news every day?
Yes, I like to read online news.
What time do you leave the house?
Usually at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Do you take the bus or drive?
I take the bus most days.
Is the bus usually crowded at 8?
Yes, sometimes it's very crowded.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, I always listen to music.
Do you like to talk with friends on the bus?
Sometimes, but usually I'm quiet.
Do you work or study during the day?
I work at an office downtown.
What time do you start work usually?
I start at 9 o'clock every day.
Do you have a lunch break at work?
Yes, usually from 12 to 1.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
Sometimes at home, sometimes at a cafe.
Do you enjoy talking with coworkers?
Yes, they are very friendly.
Do you have meetings every day?
Not every day, but sometimes a lot.
Do you use email a lot at work?
Yes, I send and read emails daily.
What do you usually do after work?
I sometimes go shopping or go home.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I usually cook simple meals.
Do you like to watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes, yes. Mostly news or series.
Do you read books in the evening?
Yes, I try to read a little.
Do you talk to your family often?
Yes, we talk almost every day.
Do you like going to the park on weekends?
Yes, I enjoy walking in the park.
Do you meet friends on weekends sometimes?
Yes, we usually meet for coffee.
Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, sometimes. I enjoy comedies.
Do you like listening to music at home?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you play any instruments yourself?
No, but I would like to learn.
Do you like drawing or painting?
Sometimes I like drawing simple things.
Do you travel during holidays often?
Yes, I like visiting new cities.
Do you prefer the beach or mountains?
I prefer the mountains for hiking.
Do you like taking photos while traveling?
Yes, I love taking many photos.
Do you usually buy souvenirs on trips?
Yes, small things for my family.
Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I enjoy learning English mostly.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to speak daily.
Do you read English books sometimes?
Yes, I read short stories often.
Do you watch English movies or series?
Yes, with subtitles usually.
Do you like watching English news online?
Yes, it helps me understand better.
Do you write in English sometimes?
Yes, I keep a small diary.
Do you chat with friends in English?
Sometimes, when we practice together.
Do you like going to English classes?
Yes, they are very helpful.
Do you feel confident speaking English now?
Yes, a little more confident each day.
Do you like studying with videos online?
Yes, it is very useful.
Do you enjoy learning English with songs?
Yes, songs make it fun.
Do you prefer studying alone or in groups?
I like both, depending on the lesson.
Do you practice English with your family?
Yes, sometimes we try simple conversations.
Do you like reading English magazines?
Occasionally for interesting articles.
Do you practice speaking every morning?
I try to speak a little each day.
Do you feel your English is improving?
Yes, slowly but surely improving daily.
That's great. Keep practicing every day.
Thanks, Alex. I will do my best.
In this video, Jessica and Alex talk while waiting for the bus.
How long until the bus?
Maybe 10 more minutes.
Oh, okay. Not too long.
Yeah, we can wait here.
It's a little cold today.
Yes, very chilly outside.
I forgot my warm jacket.
Oh no, that's unlucky.
My hands feel so cold.
Mine too, haha, same.
Do you take this bus daily?
Yes, every single morning.
Wow, that's quite a routine.
Yes, I'm used to it.
I usually walk to school.
That sounds healthy and nice.
Yes, but today I'm tired.
Same here, no energy today.
Did you sleep late last night?
Yes, I studied very late.
Oh, exams are stressful.
Yeah, they really are.
Do you have class early?
Yes, my class is 9.
Me too. Same time today.
Nice, we go together then.
What subject do you have?
English class this morning.
Oh, cool. I like English.
Me too, it's interesting.
My teacher is very kind.
That makes learning easier.
Look, people are lining up.
Yes, the bus is close.
I can see it now.
Oh, yes, it's coming.
Finally, the bus is here.
Great, let's get on.
Please take a seat here.
Thanks, that's very kind.
The bus feels warm inside.
Yes, much better now.
I'm glad we caught it.
Me too, perfect timing.
Traffic looks a bit busy.
Yeah, mornings are always busy.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, sometimes on the bus.
That helps pass time.
Exactly, it feels relaxing.
Our stop is coming soon.
Yes, just 2 stops more.
I'll get ready to stand.
Okay, I'll stand too.
This ride was comfortable.
Yes, pretty smooth today.
We arrived right on time.
Great, no rushing today.
Let's walk to class together.
Sure, that sounds good.
The weather feels nicer now.
Yes, not so cold anymore.
I feel more awake now.
Me too, ready to learn.
Good luck in class today.
Thanks, you too.
See you after class.
Yes, see you later.
Have a great morning.
You too, take care.
In this video, Alex and Jessica are booking a hotel, discussing rooms, and planning their stay together. Repeat after them to improve pronunciation and fluency.
Hi, Jessica. I need to book a hotel.
Hi, Alex. I can help you, of course.
Great. I'm looking for a hotel in town.
Sure. What type of room do you need?
I need a single room for 2 nights.
Okay. Do you want breakfast included too?
Yes, breakfast would be nice. Thank you.
Perfect. Do you have a budget in mind?
I would like something not too expensive.
I understand. How about a mid-range hotel?
That sounds good. Can you suggest one?
Yes, there's a hotel near the city center.
Is it close to the train station?
Yes, it's only 5 minutes walking distance.
That's convenient. How much is the room?
It's $50 per night with breakfast.
Okay. Are there any extra charges to pay?
No, taxes and fees are included already.
Perfect. Can I reserve the room now?
Yes, we can do it online or by phone.
Let's do it online. Is it easy?
Yes, just a few steps on the website.
Do I need to pay now or later?
You can pay later at the hotel reception.
That's good. Can I choose a bed type?
Yes, you can choose between a single or double.
I prefer a single bed, please.
Okay, a single bed is available for you.
Can I request a quiet room, please?
Yes, I will add a note for you.
What about free Wi-Fi? Does the hotel have it?
Yes, all rooms have free Wi-Fi included.
Great. Do they have parking available too?
Yes, parking is free for hotel guests.
Wonderful. Can I check in early in the morning?
Early check-in is possible if the room is ready.
How about late checkout? Is it allowed?
Yes, you can check out at 2 o'clock.
Does the hotel have a restaurant inside?
Yes, there's a small restaurant in the hotel.
Can I book a taxi from the hotel?
Yes, the reception can arrange a taxi anytime.
Are pets allowed in the hotel?
No, unfortunately, pets are not allowed here.
Is there a swimming pool in the hotel?
Yes, there is a small pool on the roof.
That sounds nice. Is it open all day?
Yes, it's open from 7 to 9 every day.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, they accept all major credit cards.
Do they provide towels and toiletries in rooms?
Yes, everything is provided for free.
What about a gym? Does the hotel have one?
Yes, a small gym is available for guests.
Can I book a taxi to the airport?
Yes, the hotel can arrange an airport taxi.
Is there a reception desk 24 hours?
Yes, reception is open 24/7 for all guests.
Can I request extra pillows in my room?
Yes, just tell the reception and they will provide.
What about room service? Is it available?
Yes, room service is available all day.
Can I cancel the reservation if needed?
Yes, you can cancel up to 24 hours before.
Do I need to print the booking confirmation?
No, showing it on your phone is fine.
Is it easy to get around the city?
Yes, public transport is very close to the hotel.
Can I pay in cash or only card?
Both options are available for guests.
Are there any discounts for long stays?
Yes, the hotel gives discounts for stays over 3 nights.
That's perfect. I think I'm ready to book.
Great, I will help you complete the booking.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay.
I'm sure I will. The hotel sounds perfect.
Yes, it's a nice hotel with many facilities.
I'll pack my things and get ready soon.
Have a safe trip and enjoy your visit.
In this video, Alex and Jessica go to a restaurant, choose what to eat, and enjoy their meal together. Repeat after them to improve pronunciation and fluency.
Hi, Jessica. I'm hungry. Can we eat?
Hi, Alex. Sure, let's go to a restaurant.
Great. What kind of food do you like?
I really like burgers and fried chicken.
I love fried chicken.
Perfect. I also enjoy burgers and fried chicken.
Do you know a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there's one just 5 minutes away.
Sounds good. Let's go there then.
Okay, I will make a reservation quickly.
Do they have vegetarian options too?
Yes, they have salads and vegetable pasta.
That's great. I might try salad.
I will probably choose a pizza today.
Do they serve drinks like juice or soda?
Yes, they have juice, soda, and water.
Can we sit near the window?
I will request a table by the window.
Thank you, Jessica. I love sitting there.
Me too. The view is very nice.
Do we get a menu when we sit down?
Yes, the waiter will bring the menu first.
Can we ask about the special dishes today?
Of course, the waiter can explain all specials.
I usually like tomato pasta. Is it good?
Yes, it's very tasty and popular here.
What about pizza?
Yes, available.
Can I get extra cheese on my pizza?
Yes, you can request extra cheese easily.
Do they have desserts after meals?
Yes, they have ice cream and cakes.
I like chocolate cake after my meal.
Me too. It's very delicious here.
Can we order drinks first? Maybe water?
Yes, water for both is fine.
How long does it usually take to serve food?
Around 15 to 20 minutes after ordering.
That's okay. I don't mind waiting a little.
Me neither. We can chat while waiting.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here you go, Alex. Take your time.
I'll have the tomato pasta today, please.
I think I'll order pizza then.
Do you want any side dishes with pizza?
Maybe a small salad. That's enough.
Should we order appetizers before the main meal?
Yes, maybe garlic bread for starters.
Great idea. I love garlic bread.
Me too. It's always delicious and warm.
Can we have some drinks with our meal?
Yes, I will get a juice and soda.
How about sharing the garlic bread?
Perfect. We can share it easily.
Is it okay to ask for extra napkins?
Of course, the waiter will bring them.
Do we need to leave a tip after eating?
Yes, usually 10% is good.
Okay, I will remember that for later.
Me too. It's polite to tip.
I'm so hungry now. Can we eat soon?
The waiter will bring the garlic bread first.
That's good. I love fresh warm bread.
Me too. It smells amazing here.
I can see my pasta on the way.
And my pizza looks delicious too.
I hope they serve dessert soon after.
Yes, I want chocolate cake too.
Can we pay the bill together at the end?
Yes, we can split it or pay together.
Perfect.
This restaurant is really nice.
Yes, the food and service are great.
I think I will come back again.
Me too. It's a very nice place.
Thank you for choosing this restaurant, Jessica.
You're welcome, Alex. I'm happy we came here.
I feel full and very satisfied now.
Me too. I enjoyed the meal a lot.
Let's take a walk after eating dessert.
That's a good idea. We can relax outside.
Next time, we should try a new restaurant.
Yes, I love trying new places too.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fun and easy English conversations. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you next time.